Hi friends, in this class we see control system questions asked in Tnpsc EEE 2008 exam. The first question is, the open loop transfer function of a unity feedback control system is given by g of s equal to k into s plus 2 divided by s into s squared plus 2s plus 2. The centroid and angles of root locus asymptotes are respectively. So they have given open loop transfer function, they ask the centroid and the angles of asymptote. We know we can find the centroid by using the formula. Let us see that. Right, so g of s is given as g of s equal to k into s plus 2 divided by s into s square plus 2s plus 2. Fine. Okay, so what is the formula for centroid? Centroid is equal to sum of poles minus sum of zeros divided by number of pole minus number of zeros. Fine. Okay, so how many poles are there? Np is equal to, it is a third order system, so we have 3 poles, 2, 1, so 3 poles. Number of zeros, 1 0, it is only 1 0. So we have 3 poles and 1 zeros. Let us find the poles. So what is the denominator? S into s square plus 2s plus 2 is equal to 0. So roots of the denominator is known as poles. So s is equal to 0 is a pole. Then we have to find s square plus 2s plus 2 is equal to 0. If you simplify, what you get is s is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I. So we are having 3 pole. This is pole 1 and pole 2 and pole 3. Right? So what is my centroid? Centroid is given by summation. Sum of poles, that is one pole is 0, minus 1 plus I, minus 1 minus I, minus sum of 0. Sum of 0 is nothing but minus 2. We have only one 0, that is minus 2. Right? Why it is minus 2? Because you see we are having only 1 0. So s plus 2 is equal to 0. This means s is equal to minus 2 is a 0. Clear? So then number of poles minus 0, number of pole is 3, number of 0 is 1. If you simplify, what you get is 0. Right? So centroid is 0. Now we have to find angle of asymptote. Angle of asymptote is given by theta A is equal to 2q plus 1 into 180 degree minus number of poles minus 0, where q varies from 0 to pole minus number of pole minus 0 minus 1. What is number of pole? 3. Number of 0, 1. So 3 minus 1, this is minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 1. So q varies from 0 to 1. Right? So theta A is equal to 2q plus 1 divided by p minus z 180 degree 0, where q varies from 0 to 1. Right? So if you substitute q 0, right, so 0 plus 1 into 180 degree divided by 3 minus 1, it is 90 degree when q is equal to 0. Right? So when q is equal to 1, what happens? 3 by 3 into 180, 3 by 2 into 180, that is 270 degree. So centroid 0, angle is 90 and 270. Let us see. Centroid 0, so these two are not coming into picture. It must be either A or C, but it is 120, so it is not also a not correct answer. One angle is 90, but another one minus 90 they have given. Minus 90 is nothing but 270 degree. Right? So option A is the right answer. Next one, the main advantage of combining integral control system to proportional action is, what is the main advantage? It is reducing offset or eliminates the offset. So that is the perfect answer. Elimination of offset is the correct answer. Next one, the root locus always starts at open loop poles, right? Next we see the characteristics equation of a closed loop system is given by s power 4 6x cube plus 11s squared plus 6s plus k is equal to 0. Stable closed loop behavior can be ensured when k is such that. So here they have given closed loop system. So we go for Nyquist and find the Routh-Hurwitz criteria and find the k value. So first we start with s power 4. So write the coefficient of even. So s power 4 means first we have to take this one and this one, right? Even area. So it is even power 1, 11 and 1. So 1, 11, 1. What about next s power 3? S power 3s, here we are having 6 and 6. So s power 3, 6 and 6, right? If you convert as squared, so what we have to do? Cross product, right? So 11 into 6 minus 6 divided by 6. Similarly, this product, this is k, right? So 6k, this is 0 divided by 6. What is my s power 1? So this is giving, this is equal to 10 comma k, right? 66 minus 6 is 60, 60 by 6 is 10, 6k by 6 k, so 10 comma k. Here again, if you reduce that, what you get is 60 minus 6k divided by 10, right? Clear or not? This is the first column, right? So if you, otherwise I write again. Okay, so what we do? So first column should be positive for stable system, right? So this is my first column. This column should be positive for stable system, right? So where is k? We are having the one element. This is positive, no problem. This is also positive, this is also positive, but this must be positive. So how, when it will be positive? We have to equate it with greater than 0. 60 minus 6k divided by 10. This factor must be positive. Positive means greater than 0. This implies 60 minus 6k is greater than 0. This implies k must be greater, k must be less than 10, right? So k should be greater than 0, or k must be, what is another value of k? Or k must be less than 0. Clear or not? So why it is k must be less than 0? If you put minus 1, it will become plus 6. If you put minus 2, for every negative number, the result will be greater than positive. So k must be less than 0 and okay, k must be greater than 0, k must be greater than 0 and it must be less than 10. If it is greater than 10, it will become 60. So suppose let us assume it is 11, then it will become 66, so everything will be negative. So k must be less than 10, and greater than 0, right? So the answer is k must be less than 10 and greater than 0. So what we get? Here we get the answer is k varies from 0 to 10, right? Next one. If the system has multiple pole on the j omega axis, it is nothing but marginally stable system. Clear? So simple one, right? So that's all about this section. If you are having any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify all your doubts in the comment section. Thank you.